Hi, it's your boy, Mr. Shagun, bringing you the closing end of the foundation class. I hope you've really learned a lot, and then after this, I'm 100% sure you could still continue your development personally on your own. But I'll quickly show you through some of the last videos, which has something to do with buying and selling of currency pairs, has something to do with knowing the type of trends in the market, and then also finally is the multiple time frames that we have and we trade with. I'll quickly be starting with multiple time frame because that's the last one. For you to quickly see the time frame, there are different ways to go check the time frames. Or for you to check the time frame, you need to go to the forex chart. And some people ask that, oh, where is the forex chart? The forex chart is as simple as the forex chart is down below. So for you to see forex chart, you just need to go in the below button. You'd see the chart button. It is shown in simple candlestick pattern, which is some of the things you're going to learn while trading forex. Candlesticks is one of those types of charts we have in forex. There's line charts, there is the bar chart, but the candlestick chart has been very reliable. It's also called the Japanese candlestick chart. So that's it. The next thing we're going to look up is how do we know, for example, where we're going to find the multiple time frame. First of all, when you're on a chart, there's some few things you can quickly look at. One of them is that you could easily look at the different base and quoted currencies or the different instruments that you want to trade or you've added to your trade in case you want to trade very fast. It's almost like a quick button. So when you click on this, you definitely know the different types. And clicking on it, you can see the Euro USD, gold. You can see the pounds dollar, and you could also see the pounds yen. Some of the major currency pairs, including the spot metal gold. Now, the other thing you need to be able to understand when you're on the chart is how to add trade. You could quickly add trade from here. Though for now, today is not a trading day, so I'll not be able to press the plus button. Once I add a trade or create a buy or sell contract, you could easily quickly do it from the button the plus button on the top right hand corner. You can do that. The other way to add a trade is using the menu bar. If you use the menu bar, you'll be able to do that to add a trade. So clicking on this place on the top left corner, you'll be able to do that by clicking on it. So clicking on it, you click on trade, you'll be able to add a trade from there too. So you click on trade, which you can clearly see here. You so you also be able to do it from this place to add trade. So whether it's buy trade or sell trade, that's up to you. So we're on chat, and you can see boldly that we are trying to study what exactly the chart looks like. So there we go. We're on chat just here, and then we need to study what it's all about. So let's go. So the next thing I have there is something that looks like a F sign, and the F sign you can see it just up there, and the F sign just slightly written up there, and then it definitely will show you many of the other tools which you're not going to go into now because for now you're still amateur, you're not professional. So it shows a lot of things that has to do with indicators. You don't need all these things now. So what you're interested in is not much. The things you're interested in, I will quickly show you rapidly via this video. The things that you are more of interested in. You're interested in the add trade option. The add trade option. Sorry, let me undo that. So you're interested in the add trade option. You're interested in the clock, which is a time frame. You're interested in the different trade instrument, and you're interested in the cursor. Those are the 4 things you're interested in for now, which you want to learn. So the cursor will always teach you, for example, what particular time you have of the day. At the base of the clock, you'll be able to see all the possible different times. At the base of the clock, you see different times there, clearly written there. You'd see, for example, you can see This, for example, is a type of chart we are studying. It's a daily chart. So for you to know if it's a daily chart, you just go here. You see a daily DPP D1 is a daily chart. So we can easily change we can change the time frame once we're looking at. Are we looking at daily chart? Are we looking at a monthly chart? Are we looking at a yearly chart? Are we looking at lower time frames, which are like, for example, the 4-hour chart, the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute chart, the 30 minutes chart, and so on and so forth. So when it's a daily chart, you see D1. When it's a 4-hour chart, you see H4. And I'll show you quickly all those things. So how can we quickly check the time frame? So for us to check the time frame, we go quickly to click on the button that is up there, and then we click on the wall clock there, so we check the time frame. So we click on the time frame, we'll see all the different time frames, and you can see them clearly written there as the different time frame. We have the 1-minute chart, we have the 5-minute chart, we have the 15-minute chart, we have the 30 minutes chart, we have the 1-hour chart, we have the 4-hour chart, and that's the acronym. We have the daily chart, we have the weekly chart, and we have the monthly chart. Those are the different time frames that you have. That's number one way to do it. As you can see, currently I'm on the daily chart. I can easily click any of these things for me to be able to go to the particular time frame I'm interested in. So let's assume I want to go to the 4-hour chart, which is the H4 chart. So in going to the 4-hour chart, which is the H4 chart here, I'm going to click on it. You can see it's loading, and it is loaded the 4-hour chart. Now, all these candlesticks represent 4 hours. So it means that each of these candlesticks you're seeing here, each of them represents 4 hours. Now, this second way you can also quickly get the time frame. Second way you can quickly get the time frame is by tapping on the screen. By tapping on the screen, anywhere in the screen, at all in the screen, tapping anywhere at all on the screen, you will definitely see the time frame quickly. And you can see I'm on the 4-hour chart. I can easily change this back to the daily chart that I was, and it is done that. Voila. So next thing you need to know about time frame is you need to know what each means. For example, I can use the cursor and click on the cursor in case you don't know where the cursor is. The cursor is just up there, and then just right there. That's the cursor up there. So with the cursor, I can easily move the cursor to any particular date, and you can see down below that as I'm moving the cursor, it's showing me any date of interest that I'm interested in. So you'd see it that, for example, this day that I'm interested in here is written as the 15th of September 2020, which is what the cursor is showing me that I am in. If I move it again, it's going to show me the next day. So you notice I move the cursor again. From that, it's going to show me 16th. Move to the next one, 17th. Move to the next one, 18th. You can see that down below. So each of these things you're seeing there are called candlesticks. I told you it's a candlestick chart. So each of these sticks you're seeing here represents a day in a daily chart. So if I go from a day, for example, to a weekly chart, I click on the cursor if I go to a weekly chart, I can definitely see from this place that on the weekly chart, each of the candlesticks, and click back on the cursor, each of the candlestick I'm seeing here is one week exactly, just like that, one week. And you can do that on your own, from your own particular MetaTrader, and so on and so forth. So that's clear. Hope that's clear to everybody. So at this junction, I'll pause the first video, which has clearly explained what exactly the multiple time frames is, the different times, and has explained the general buttons. The next video I'll be making will be explaining to you how we can understand a bullish trend, how we can understand a bearish trend, when to know when to sell, or when to know when exactly to buy, and how not to trade against the trend, and how not to trade in a ranging market.